So as many of you know, I have been having to be very creative this year. I haven't been able to get to the stores, I haven't been able to get materials delivered or anything like that, so I've had to be really resourceful. And it's really shown me that the amount of things you can source for free to build a garden on like the strictest budget. Like, I have not put any money into this yet, and I've already got 2 growing vessels right here. I've just found something else that I want to show you guys, and that is what today's video is going to be, showing you how you can plant in whatever you can find. So come along on the other side of the fence and I'll show you what I just found. So here it is, an old kiddie pool my neighbors left out for the trash. I've noticed that a lot of people are cleaning their houses, cleaning their yards during this quarantine, so there's a lot of free stuff at the curb. And what's great is you can go for walks around your neighborhood and just fill up your truck or carry it home and plant in it, like I did with the pallet. The pallet was something that one of my neighbors was throwing out. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be doing this, and you can follow along with me. If you have kiddie pools, you may have them. They're not being used right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this project, and I hope it inspires you to get out there and get planting in whatever you can find. So hopefully you can see now that we have a bunch of holes drilled in the pool. We just staggered them around the circle, going inside the circle, and then some around the center. So we just picked up a few containers and buckets of this dirt. And so this is the free compost that is available to my township. And as you can see, it's a really nice dark color. This is going to work perfect for what we're going to be planting in our kiddie pool garden, and that is going to be strawberries. So it's looking pretty good. I think I'm going to top it off just a little bit with some extra dirt, but for the most part you get the idea. You can see what it looks like. So the strawberry bed has been planted. I'm sorry I didn't film the actual planting for you guys, but the day these arrived it was very cloudy and like drizzling a little bit, and I just wanted to get them in the planter because they had taken a long time to get here, and I'm really trying to get them re-established and grown so that we can have fruit in June. Now, I'm not sure if that's gonna happen or not, but I am hopeful. So I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the strawberries. Purchased them from MI Gardener. They are now sold out, so unfortunately you can't get them. I know that you can join a waiting list, but I'm not sure if you'll be able to get them this year or not. I will leave a link to the MI Gardener website because I was really impressed. The strawberries came relatively quickly considering everything that's going on right now with the virus and shipping and all of that. So they only came maybe like a week late. I ordered the pack of 7. I just ordered 1 pack of 7 because I've never grown strawberries before and I didn't want to waste my money by ordering more than I could handle, and I only had the 1 space to plant them for right now. I got 11, so I was very, very thoroughly surprised that I got almost double the amount that I ordered and I didn't pay any extra for them. I don't know if that was a courtesy because they were late or if that's just how it goes, but for my experience ordering them, I would definitely order them again. So I was able to fill this pool all the way around the edge, and then I put 3 in the center. And as you can see, I'll do some close-up shots. They really don't look like much right now. They're kind of scraggly, they're a little bit broken, but all the root systems were intact and I gave them a thorough watering. I mixed a lot of cow manure in this bed and I just used the compost soil that I was getting locally for free. So we'll see how they do. I may fertilize them around June just to like help them out with producing their fruit. They have definitely perked up. Their stems are getting a little bit more pink. When I first got them, they were all like white colored, but now the stems look a little pinker and the stems are kind of sticking a little bit straighter up. The ones that didn't have stems are starting to grow them, so really healthy, really had great success. They've only been in the ground for a couple of days. So I will be doing an update. Probably the next time I do an update will be when I do the entire garden update. And I'll show you what these look like. So with that, I'm gonna get going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you guys can plant some strawberries in a kiddie pool too or something else. I hope you guys are all doing great and I'll see you in my next video.